If your Epic Games download is stuck, failing, or throwing an annoying error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to downloading your game without wasting time. These methods are simple, safe, and they solve the most common launcher problems caused by cache issues, download limits, permissions, or network glitches. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is clear the Epic Games Launcher web cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for downloads that are stuck or for interface errors that keep the launcher from behaving properly. To do that, completely exit the Epic Games Launcher first. Don't just close the window. Make sure it's fully shut down from the system tray in the bottom right corner. Next, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %local app data %, then press enter. This will take you to your local app data folder where Windows stores application data for installed programs. Now look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Inside that folder, open the saved folder. In here, you should see a folder called web cache. Delete that folder. If you also see folders named webcache_4147 or webcache_4430, delete those too. These cache files can become corrupted and cause download problems, so clearing them often fixes the issue right away. Once that's done, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and try resuming your download. In many cases, that alone is enough to get everything working again. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to check is your download restrictions. Sometimes the launcher is set to limit download speeds, which can make it seem like your download is frozen or broken when it's really just being throttled. Open the Epic Games Launcher and click your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, go into Settings and scroll down to Download Settings. Look for the option that says Limit Download Speeds. If it's checked, uncheck it. Removing that limit can immediately improve download performance and fix strange slowdowns. Now, let's move on to permissions. A lot of Epic Games download errors happen because the launcher doesn't have enough access to write files where it needs to. To fix that, right-click your Epic Games Launcher shortcut on the desktop and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it may need to install or update files properly. While you're here, also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. That can help with compatibility issues on some systems. After selecting both options, click Apply, then OK. Now, launch Epic Games again and see if the download continues normally. If you're still getting an error, the next step is to reset your network cache by flushing DNS. This can help when old or corrupted network information is interfering with your connection to Epic's servers. Press Windows key plus R again, type CMD, and press Enter to open command prompt. In the black window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This clears outdated network data and can fix connection-based download failures. Now, if the problem is still not resolved, there's one more option to try depending on your setup. If the download issue is being caused by a corrupted installer or a launcher-related problem, you may be able to bypass the standard launcher path by installing directly from the Microsoft Store version, if available for your setup. This can sometimes resolve persistent installation and download errors when the regular launcher keeps failing. So to quickly recap, the most important fixes are clear the launcher web cache, remove any download speed limits, run Epic Games Launcher as an administrator, disable full screen optimizations, and flush your DNS if the problem looks network related. These steps solve the majority of Epic Games download issues without needing anything complicated. If one fix doesn't work, don't skip the others. Try them in order because the issue could be caused by cache, permissions, or your connection settings. And if this guide helped you fix the problem, please leave a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and comment below if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.